How do you see Indian Oil being positioned for this change that is underway? And you spoke about it. You yourself have taken over Indian Oil. What's the agenda that you are setting for this company?
Going forward, today, if you see a larger picture, if you see that today we are 9% of the Indian energy pie is supplied by Indian Oil. That is the status today. Going forward, as I said, Indian energy demand will be double. So in that double scenario, I want to retain my 9% energy share and I want to increase that share to 12.5%. Not necessarily by the way that I am doing today. Today, almost 95% of my energy offerings are coming from conventional fossil fuel only. But going forward, it will be around 40-50% of it will be coming from conventional fuels for total entire one. It will be a huge pie. So I will maintain where I am of my all refineries I have to maintain, and then the other quarter will come from gas probably, which is a natural gas, which is going to be a cleaner fuel, and another quarter or more than that will come from totally new energies, which will be renewables, which will be bio, which will be coming from solar, which will be coming from wind, which will be coming from all other sources of which are sustainable, which are green, which are non-fossil. So that is the kind of agenda that we are keeping for 2040. That quarter of it will come from sustainable, quarter of it will from the cleaner natural fuels, and almost 50+% will come from the